What's going on, guys? Time for a little update for you. I figured you guys deserve it. What the heck is going on? You're seeing me post in different places of the country, Florida, Ohio, and as you guys can probably tell, I am back in Ohio, and I want to give you an update about that right now. Let's just have a collaborative sigh of disappointment on how disgusting and nasty the E39 M5 is right now. This really hurts my soul, don't get me wrong, but it's my daily driver, as you guys know. So if you want me to love it and drive it every day, that is what's gonna happen. I should also mention I fixed my window regulator. Sorry I did not do a video on it, I just wanted to get it done. And the last update on the car for right now is during the trip. I don't know if you guys saw on Instagram, I did a story. I had a nasty rock fly up and slam my windshield. I mean, everything was fine besides that huge crack. It was a smaller crack, but with the, ooh, there's a little Audi coming. TTRS, something like that. With that little, actually a really big chip, after only a few days, it actually already spidered into a much longer chip, and obviously the answer to that is having the windshield redone. Okay, so actually it's pretty sunny. You guys know what that means. That means the sunshade goes up, as you know. So anyways, I am back in Ohio. Yes, I fully moved. I'm living full-time in Columbus, Ohio. So all of the sights and the sounds that you guys are gonna see, all of the areas, this is sort of north of downtown. I'm off of 3rd and Northwest right now, if you guys are familiar with Columbus. I love this area. However, I am in the process of actually buying a house. Not bought a house yet, put 2 offers on 2 different houses. They both fell through, but I will be buying one very soon. So that is why you might see a little bit less car maintenance / detailing videos. People are like, Brandon, how in God's name can you move to a cold place after living in Florida? And really, there's kind of 2 answers to that. You know, the one is the job. I think that kind of comes before everything else if you have a really good gig. And sort of the areas around it are really nice, and I always loved Columbus. For the many years I lived there, live here now again. I loved so much about it besides the little bit of congestion that happens as the city grows. And then there's also sort of the lifestyle and future lifestyle that I started to think about in my life. Living in Florida and potentially, you know, having a future family and having a house and having all kinds of, you know, sort of growing up lifestyle, that sort of thing. That is not really a place that I want to do in Florida. And I know a lot of you guys may be from Florida because I was in Florida, but I didn't grow up in Florida, and it's just not really a place for me. I don't know how else to say it. I wasn't 100% comfortable there. I don't really like the demographic. A lot of people are old, obviously, you know, like big surprise, you should have known that. But anyways, yeah, so, you know, obviously there's no snow there versus here, but there's more to life than, you know, the weather. You know, obviously it improves your lifestyle, but, you know, here we go, it's 45 degrees and it's sunny. Yeah, it's a little gray, but for me, I'm not, I guess, as sensitive to it as other people. I'm actually kind of warm right now, to be honest with you. I turned off the heat and everything in the car. So that kind of wraps up the logic behind the move, the justification. What's really cool is the future house. I can't wait to do like a garage build, flooring, lighting, wall, electrical. I don't know what I'm gonna do pressure washing wise yet. I'll at least continue to use the Krenslow that I have. I don't know if I'm doing like an on-wall thing and I'll sell mine and that would pretty much fund a lot of the project. I don't really know, so we'll have to see about that. All right guys, let me give you a quick walk around. Car is looking significantly better than before. Sorry for all the background noise. I actually just ran into a self-service wash. I just wanted to get it done, don't worry. Didn't use the brush or anything, but yeah, significantly better. finally looking back like the car that I own. All right, let's go to a buddy's house. Look what we've got here, boys. Look what we've got here. Look at that thing. Look at it.